Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll try to compare the traditional RPAs with our agents, right? Now the agent that we have created in this video is a very basic, simple vanilla agent. It's not a very sophisticated agent. But the goal of this video is for us to compare the difference between a traditional RPA and an agent. Of course, in the subsequent lectures, we would be creating much more complicated agents, but this is just to give you an intuition on how do they differ, right? What does AI mean? What does agentic AI mean? And just to give you a flavor of that. So here's a simple Gradio app that I created. Gradio is nothing but a simple UI that could be plugged directly to any of your Python code in the background, and you can inference from your Python code, right? Now, inferencing could be from a model, from any of whatever is running in your background in Python. You can inference from that. So this is just a simple Gradio app where what we are trying to do is we are trying to demo the differences between your traditional RPAs and your agents, right? There are two approaches. Just to walk you through on what's happening over here is there are two approaches. One is your traditional automation and the second one is your AI agent. So when I click the AI agent, when it's selected, it will basically send whatever query I write over here, it will send to your agent, and it will try to get a response, and that response would be displayed over here, right? And then of course I can select the traditional automation model and then enter the same query and get a response from the traditional automated model itself. Now we'll go into the intricacies and how we have created these models, but I just wanted to give you a gist of what's happening in the front end itself, and then we'll dwell deeper into the examples that we have. So just to give you just to make our life easy, here are the examples. Here I have written the examples. I did some testing on it, and these were the examples that I came up with for just saving our times. So what I'll do is when I just click over here, it will enter the query for me, and then if I'm selecting the traditional automation model, then it will get selected and I can directly click submit, right? And vice versa. So if I click this, then it will directly select AI agent, and then you can ask the agent whatever query that you have. So we'll try to take a flavor of these examples. We'll try to explore these examples and see how a traditional automation is differing from an AI agent itself. But first, let's in the next video, let's look at what exactly is happening inside, behind the scenes, and let's see how exactly is a traditional automation performing and how is an AI agent performing. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.